prove that sound can move objects. Okay guys, we have the ingredients right here. 50 ml of water, a glass with some rice, and a tumbler, spoon, and some plastic, and a rubber band. First, we pour the 50 ml water into this container. Actually, we need 100 grams milliliters first. And now we have 100 milliliters of water. Now we put this plastic sheet on top and close it. Finally, I'll put this together with some help. Now you sprinkle some rice on top. And now we see the magic. Ow, that was loud. And now I proved that this object or sound can move objects.